Hello everyone, my name is Michael. I want to start with something uncomfortable today. AI didn't make engineering easier, it made it more dangerous. Because right now, I am watching teams ship the wrong things faster than ever, and they feel productive while doing it. Code is cheap now, direction is not. And when speed goes up but decision quality doesn't, the system doesn't reward you, it punishes you, but later. Hard. Teams gets Copilot, Cursor, all the AI toys. Output explodes. A month later, we look up and nothing moved. No real growth, no real retention, no business impact, just more systems. We confuse motion with progress. It's like driving a Ferrari at 200 miles an hour without checking the map for hours. Speed doesn't save you if you are pointed in the wrong direction. This isn't about bad engineering, it's about a trait most good engineers share. We are system-oriented, not goal-oriented. We love elegant mechanisms, we love clean architecture, we love solving interesting puzzles, and AI generates infinitive puzzles. Give an engineer unlimited Lego bricks and they won't ask what house are we building. They will see how tall the tower can go. That's how you end up building AI pipelines for problems that barely exist. Overkill isn't a mistake anymore, it's the default. So, here's the framework I now fall back to when things start drifting. 2 rules. First one sounds boring and almost nobody follows it. Build for one measurable goal. Not 3, not improve UX, not future-proof the system. One number. An absolute no secondary features. Because you don't know what worked, you don't know what failed. And if you don't know that, you are just telling stories. Also, engineers don't pick this alone. If the business can't sign off on the goal, you don't build. The friction is intentional. The second rule matters even more. Ship to clear ambiguity. Early in any project, everyone has opinions. CEO thinks user wants X, design thinks Y, engineers wants Z. That fog, that's ambiguity. And most teams argue inside it for weeks instead of shipping something small, specifically to remove uncertainty. You are not shipping a feature, you are buying information. Code is just the recipe. Let me ground this with a real scenario I have seen multiple times. A team has a growth problem. Installs are fine, but users don't reach the final success moment. They open the app and disappear. So the team defines the metric properly. Activation equals reaching the first success moment within 10 minutes. That's the scoreboard, nothing else matters. That data shows a huge drop-off at the point forced account creation before value. The hypothesis is simple. The login wall is killing activation. Now comes the fork. Path A. The boring fix, remove account creation, add continue without account, guide user to value. Minimal and fast. Path B. The seductive fix. A senior engineer says, give me 3 days, I'll build an AI onboarding concierge. It will infer intent, rewrite copy dynamically, adapt flows per persona. It sounds right, it sounds modern, it sounds inevitable. This is the AI overkill moment. Can we build it? Is the wrong question. AI makes building easy. The real questions are, can we operate it? Can we debug it? Can we prove it beats the dumb fix? Because now we have added model drift, latency, monitoring, hallucination, on-call load, cost uncertainty. The 3-day demo quietly becomes a 3-year maintenance tax. And the worst, if activation doesn't move, you will never know why. Too many variables, too many stories, no clarity. In the clean version of this story, discipline wins. You ship the boring fix, you get a clean signal, you earn clarity before complexity. That's the ideal. But here's the part we usually don't say out loud. Real organizations are not optimized for clarity, they optimized for ownership. And that's where this breaks. In corporations, impact is not just measured, it's claimed. People don't just want results, they want to own the most impactful thing. And what looks more impactful than AI systems that builds other AI systems? Nothing. So a system level effect kicks in. Leaderboard, leadership loves AI. Performance reviews love AI. Roadmap love AI. Visibility loves AI. If you argue for the boring fix, you don't look disciplined, you look pessimistic, or worse, not excited about AI. And once AI becomes first-class performance signal, the game is set. People aren't irrational, they are responding correctly to incentives. The system rewards whoever grabs the biggest, shiniest AI-shaped project, not whoever removes ambiguity faster. That's why this problem is hard. And here is the uncomfortable part. I don't have a clear solution. Because just a few days ago, I was the person proposing the wild AI solution, the one that promised to solve everything at once. Same incentives, same system, same trap. So, when I say this is dangerous, I am not speaking from the outside. I am inside the system and I still fall for it. That's a real tension. And until organizations learn to reward clarity over spectacle, AI won't just accelerate delivery, it will accelerate self-deception. AI didn't change what wins, it changed what fails faster. If you don't measure, AI will help you build a disaster at a record speed. So, if you remember nothing else, remember this. Build the minimum, ship to remove ambiguity, speed is only useful if you have a map. Otherwise, you are just accelerating toward the cliff. Measure more, ship less. Have a nice day, everybody.